Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be baking some puppy dog treats. So this weekend we went to our friend's house and she has this adorable dog. I think he's mixed with poodle and something else. So I decided to bake him some dog treats because this was on sale. It's a two-piece. As you could see, it comes with a baking pan, and you could see the shape, like little cute doggy bones, and also says puppy love pan, which I think is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the instructions at the back. I believe I will need 1 egg, some peanut butter, and half a cup of water. Now, I'm sorry. Welcome back to Pots, Pans, and Love. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. And if you guys are already subscribed to my channel, thank you for watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my measuring cup with half a cup of creamy peanut butter. So I'm just gonna use a regular large bowl to put the ingredients in. So by the way guys, how is everyone doing while you guys are watching this video? And by the way, do you guys own any dogs or pets or cats and would like to share any recipes? Let me know in the comments section. Okay, so I'm gonna just scoop up some, what was it, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and again I'm using the creamy peanut butter. And crack 1 large egg. This is dry milk and dry wheat, I believe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and combine it with the peanut butter and the egg. Then add the half a cup of water and just mix all the ingredients together. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so you guys could see here that I'm mixing a little bit more water because it was a little bit dry, so I needed to mix a little bit more water. Okay, after 20 hours of mixing, I'm just joking, maybe about a good, I'd say about a good 10 minutes. Okay, and now it comes with this cute little pan. How adorable is this? Now, I should have sprayed some non-stick oil before I put it into the mold, because later on in the video you guys are going to see that I'm having trouble actually removing these cookies. So I just took 2 spoons and just kind of like patiently shape them into the mold. Just like that, how you see it in the video. Oh, by the way guys, do you guys have any fur babies? And what is their names? Is it a dog, a cat, a parrot, a bird? My friend's dog's name's Oliver, and the first time I met him, I instantly fell in love with him. He is such an adorable, well-behaved dog. I mean, he is adorable. Just wait a little bit and I'll introduce you guys to Oliver later on this video. Ta-da! So all the cavities are all filled in, and I believe there's 16 bones, but I can make a total of 32 servings for this doggy treat. And the leftovers, I'm just going to store it in a Ziploc bag and place it in the freezer, so the next time we visit, I'm pretty sure Oliver is going to finish all his treats by then. So I'm going to bake more for him the next time we see him. I did preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Now it says in the instructions that to bake the cookies for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay. Everyone, please meet Oliver. Isn't he a cutie? And there is his treat in the oven baking.
Okay, we're waiting for Oliver to come out with his new haircut. There he is! There he is! Hi!
Time to take it out. It's been 15 minutes. Like I said earlier in the video, I should have sprayed some cooking oil before filling in the cavities, because I did have trouble taking them out, but I've managed. And there you go. Oliver loves his doggy treats. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye.